think the follow-up question, go ahead, please.
Yes. Clearly you really emphasize the importance of coming out of your comfort zone and, adjusting your mindset, which I think, of course, are very important. And, I feel maybe I'm alone in this realization. I think, Mr. Ahmed can also agree with me. I feel like, this is a struggle in our community around the USA, the whole comfort zone and mindset and a fear of change. What would you advise to anyone in our community around the USA? So let's say some of them have degrees and some of them are stuck in their regular jobs or, just a job in general. And they know that the growth in that job is minimal or, it's difficult or not as rewarding or demands a lot out of them. What would you advise them? Because, it's understandable, it can be scary change and mindset, but what would you advise them to help with that situation?
Are you asking me or Shiblu Ahmed?
I'm asking you, yes.
Oh, for okay, no, like like I told you in the beginning, like when you join any IT bootcamp, right? You decided that you want to switch your career, right? So you already decided. So if you are joining as a DevOps, think you are a DevOps from the day one, right? So you are a DevOps and do what a DevOps do every day, like follow the culture. And then I think in the bootcamp will tell you what you need to do when you are in IT industry or when you are in any industry in corporate culture, right? So follow those things. So believe in yourself, like okay, that if you are doubting yourself, no, I cannot do it, I'm not a DevOps. No, forget about it. You joined at bootcamp, you need to think yourself as a DevOps. Yes, I'm a DevOps, I can do this and I'm gonna do it until I finish. You have a goal, you have to achieve the goal, right? You do hard work, do your hands on every day. Like you have if you learn one thing, like say I want to learn Jenkins, I don't want to learn any other CI/CD pipeline. Do Jenkins 1,000 times, you will be an expert. Like at the end of the day, like if you do it like for 6 months, 4 months, or whatever time that you have, if you do the same things again and again and again and again, you'll be an expert at some point, and nobody can beat you, right? So you need to have that kind of mentality. So those things will help you to achieve. And then the comfort zone, you have to come out of your comfort zone. Life is not easy, and then the job is not easy. Nobody will give you a job on your plate, like okay, here is your job. No, you have to go for it, you have to earn it. So you want to achieve something, you have to work hard. So there is no shortcut.
I agree with what he said. Uh, it's really, regardless which religion you are, in each religion they say everything starts with what you believe. So he said it, right? So when you join a bootcamp or when you start something, your mindset should be the crystal clear and focused. I am already this, right? You should be happily and proudly say it. Okay, every day say it. Then you will see you are one of them. No doubt is allowed. No doubt is going to help you. It's going to confuse you. It's going to make things complex. It's going to actually misguide you. It actually throw you and push you away from the real focus. So yeah, what he said is very fundamentally true. The first things, I am already this, because you decided. One day early, one day later. 1 month early, 1 month later. What is the problem, right? There is no problem. He said it, he did it in 1 year. Probably if he wanted to take more time, because now he cannot learn much because that time was the sweet. So everything started with belief in your life, whatever you do. If you take it, you'll be successful easily without any confusion.